highly impressed by the various types of alternative energy vehicles, shifting from functionality to experience. Innovations in car interiors and exteriors reflect the new demands. Many cars are now equipped with large in-car screens. Changing from this to this, the era of multiple screens in one car has arrived, and brittle materials play a new role. HGTECH's laser executional series focus on laser cutting applications in brittle material industry. The glass cutting lobes are fully automated and meet the new demands of glass design in terms of size and accuracy in brittle materials. The laser driller series and the laser tattooist series enable new application for laser perforation, selective removal and reformulation of brittle materials. Components such as airbags, mirrors and car labels, which are essential to meet automotive safety regulations, have changed little in appearance, but in fact, the technology behind them has advanced dramatically. The invisible airbags place high demands on processing accuracy. HGTECH's self-developed fifth generation of laser weekend automation equipment optimized data recording and storage function, making each product's production data traceable for 15 years, from the first to the fifth generation, with continuous breakthroughs in accuracy and yield. In terms of the application of rear-view mirrors, the automatics technology continues to optimize the manufacturing process. HGTECH's laser executioner series automotive mirror cutting system, equipped with automated loading and unloading systems, save 40% on labor cost and increase processing efficiency by 50%. In response to market needs of the automotive industry, lasers can process parts of various materials, such as metal alloys, non-metals, plastics, and glass, to complete the marking of parts, such as automotive labels, wheels, lighting, cylinder block, and cylinder heads, to enhance product anti-counterfeiting traceability. With the development needs of electrification, intelligence and interactivity of automobiles, laser intelligence manufacturing will continue to iterate and provide automated and intelligent solutions for automotive manufacturing.